Hi, welcome to our unboxing video, except we can't really unbox because our dad, he forgot to press record and he didn't realize.
My bad, I'm sorry.
So, but we unboxed him and
We
everything,
forgot to.
but we just wanted to show you the doll.
I opened Jungkook too early. But yeah, so this was what the box was. It looks like that. It says J-Hope.
BTS.
Yep. And it looks really weird, but it has like their logo. And then this, it has the picture from the Tear album.
Nice.
This is beautiful hair. It's like curled on the sides.
And
And he
nice
has a really
suit.
big collar. And
Is
the
that
suit
his
is
Christmas
pretty.
suit or just his regular suit?
It's a regular suit because he's extra. Oh.
No, sit down so I can get you in the. There we go.
These are his shoes.
Cool.
And I really like him. He's fabulous.
And what about his shirt? Is it a separate shirt? Like, what was the last guy you did?
Jungkook.
Jungkook had his own shirt. This one
Yeah,
is connected.
This one, it's sewed.
Connected to the jacket.
Yeah. But it's Velcro right here.
Oh dear.
And so, yeah.
And can you move everything on him like you could with the other one? Wrist
Yes.
move.
His arm bends this way, but Jungkook's didn't. That's
Oh, cool.
good.
So they can do all the dance moves.
Yes.
Sweet.
Ooh.
Cool, and then you can get the other one. You two can both work.
Yes.
Okay, you want to sign out? And you
Yes.
got a couple more you're going to be unboxing for your birthday in like 2 weeks.
Yes. And this is the chicken noodle soup guy.
Nice. All right, sign out.
Bye.